Alright guys, here it is. Topps Definitive Football 2015. Single box PYT number 26. Good luck. Here's your teams. Okay, missing a bunch of there you go. Focus up for a second. And there. Hybrid case. I didn't get any feedback. I was asking guys when you said whether the stuff looked good or not. Yeah, hybrid. I guess we'll be ripping it tomorrow. That's planned. Like I said, if I'd have known we could bust it tonight, I'd have had it in the store. We got a helmet. We've got a helmet. Amari Cooper, 25 of 26. There you go. JT and the Raiders. Here's George Bush Bar. George W. Bush or Daddy Bush. Oof. 12 out of 25 DeMarco Murray logo patch for the Eagles. T Weezy 22. That's a nasty looking bullet. Reggie Bush bar card. Jeb Bush. Dual patch auto Green Bay Packers Eddie Lacy and Jordy Nelson, excuse me. That is JT with the Packers. 3 of 15. Antonio Brown auto patch 41 of 99. The Steelers. Boja 67. Nice. Three-color patch auto Phil Simms for the Giants. 3 out of 10. That's Ryan Keene 05 with the Giants. Mike Davis, rookie auto patch for the 49ers, 16 out of 50. G-Man TD2. Green, numbered out of 25, Jamison Crowder for the Redskins, and T Weezy 22. And the final hit of the break is Rashad Green for the Jags, 47 out of 99. Jaguars, Go Blue 98. There you go, guys. That's it for the break. Congrats to those of you lucky enough to land some hits in there. There's a couple real nice ones. The dual Packers patch auto, the Antonio Brown, and the Phil Simms, the main hits. Amari Cooper helmet was sick. And then a nice logo patch on the DeMarco. Until next time, peace.